Hi, y'all, beautiful souls. I want to get into maintaining micro braids. So let's go back to how I wash these. So to begin this process, I like to use a gentle shampoo. And in this case, I'm using the baby version of Walmart's baby shampoo body wash. And yeah, it's gentle. It's definitely, you need to be washing your micro braids and they will last, y'all. If they're done right, if you have a quality braider that ties your braids off at the ends of your natural hair, you can maintain your natural hair. You can grow your natural hair and all of the things while having micro braids in. I've had these braids in for about 2 months. I'm going to be keeping them in a little longer. I will be touching them up after my 1 month regimen, which ends pretty soon, ends on the 23rd. Yay me, of the red onion and rosemary. If you've been following me, you've seen I've been doing this for a whole month. But yes, I have a lot of new growth and I definitely need to get up in here and wash. And as you saw in the beginning, I showed that I was using baby shampoo, baby shampoo body wash, whatever, because it is gentle. I don't like to use a lot of harsh stuff on my hair. And also I'm using a little bit of this. This is by Safeguard. It's actually more so like a body wash, but y'all, it's so gentle. I use it on my scalp too, y'all. But I just get in there, wash it really good, getting in that scalp really, really good. And y'all, this feels amazing. If you have braids and you're told that you should not wash them, I don't know. You may need to reconsider that particular braider. Or if you braid your hair yourself, maybe practice some more, because if it's done right, your braids aren't going anywhere. In fact, to me, it looks better when it's been worn for a while. And so this is also why it's important to really clean your scalp when you have a so-called protective style, because if it's a protective style and you can't wash your hair, what is the point? The purpose is to protect your natural hair. The purpose is for your natural hair to thrive. And so like you can see here, I got in there really good. Look at all that new growth, y'all. I'm so tempted to take these braids out, but no, I'm gonna keep going. And so I'm gonna also show you too why sometimes I allow it to air dry, but it's kind of chilly here. So I'm gonna just go in with a dryer on the lowest setting just to dry it up some so it won't be too damp, because you don't want to have your hair not fully dried at the scalp level, because that can cause issues too in regarding to inflammation and other things regarding your scalp health. So I just go in and dry it really good, y'all. And as you can see here, I'm applying my Blue Magic. Is this the Indian herb version? I love it. It has a really soft scent to it, a nice scent to it. And then I just go in and braid them up, and as you can see, I tie it off at the end. And this is how I have this curl effect look to my micro braids, or my invisible braids, some may call them, because these are a lot more smaller than typical micros that most people get. But anyway, I like to do this in preparation to starting my day when I do wash my hair, because sectioning it off too in these braids, it lends to it drying thoroughly. Because again, like I said, I dried it a little bit on the lowest setting, but yeah, once I do this, it's gonna fully dry in no time.